Okay, I want to put in this key, but this key you have to see this one here. This key section is this one is moving here. Have to move out. When you tighten, this much key is holding inside, but when you're pushing in, you have to go all the way in this guy, make a space. So I want to put in this guy here. The key have to go inside. Usually put the key and together, wiggling a little bit. Okay, here. Now I tighten here. All the way tied on, everything is gonna be okay. This is T20 tied on. Okay, now we have to put the handle here. Handles go in here. Okay, let me see. Inside, we have one bolt here, one bolt here. That one is holding the clip, and two bolts inside here holding the door handle. Okay, turn out now.